What if I told you, your panini press might be stealing that perfect crunch and grill marks with weak heat, uneven pressure, or sticking plates? We tested 18 top models, pressing everything from classic Italian to loaded gourmet melts, and the results will shock sandwich lovers. One popular press left pale, soggy bread, while our number 3 delivered crispy, golden brown perfection with deep, professional grill marks. If you want cafe-quality paninis at home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Hamilton Beach Panini Press Grill. The Hamilton Beach Panini Press is a versatile sandwich maker that can be used to prepare paninis, quesadillas, fruit turnovers, and more. Its floating lid design ensures even pressure on sandwiches of any size, eliminating the need to flip them over. The nonstick grids help heat and brown the sandwiches, resulting in warm and crispy results. The sandwich maker also features a top lid lock that can be used to prepare open-face sandwiches or bruschetta. To ensure optimal results, the sandwich maker should be preheated for 6 minutes before use. The built-in ready light turns green when the press is ready to cook. The Hamilton Beach Panini Press can be stored upright, making it easy to fit into a kitchen cabinet or discreetly on a countertop. Number 2. Cuisinart Panini Press. The Cuisinart Griddler is a versatile product that offers 5 different cooking functions in one, including contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. The removable and reversible nonstick cooking plates are dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean, and also act as a drain for grease, promoting healthy cooking. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. The Griddler also features customizable temperature controls, red/green indicator lights for easy operation, and a sturdy panini-style handle with a hinged floating cover that adjusts to the thickness of food. The Griddler comes with an instruction manual that includes gourmet recipes for users to enjoy. Number 3. Chefman Panini Press Grill. The Chefman Panini Press offers versatile cooking options for all your sandwich and grilling needs. With just a button, you can press your favorite sandwiches or open it to a full 180 degrees to grill burgers, veggies, and more. The floating hinge design accommodates sandwiches of various thicknesses, making it perfect for quick meals or family gatherings. Its compact size is excellent for small kitchens or road trips, ensuring easy storage. Plus, the nonstick grill plates and removable drip tray simplify cleanup, so you can enjoy your delicious creations without the hassle. Number 4. Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker. The Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker with nonstick plates is a versatile kitchen essential that allows you to make sandwiches, omelets, French toast, and more. Its fast heating element provides even heating and toasting, and the indicator lights let you know when it's on and ready for cooking. The nonstick coating makes it easy to clean, while the heat-resistant stainless steel body with anti-skid feet ensures maximum safety. The plates are finished with a durable nonstick coating, allowing the easy release of the food without bruising the bread. Number 5. Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill. The Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill and Sandwich Maker is a versatile appliance that can be used to press sandwiches, grill burgers, steaks, veggies, and more. The floating hinge adjusts to accommodate any size sandwich, and the nonstick coated grill plates make for effortless cleaning. Its compact size takes up little counter or shelf space, making it ideal for small kitchen spaces, dorm rooms, offices, and even bringing on road trips. With the press of a button, this grill opens at 180 degrees to fit any type or size food. Perfect for quick meals, summer parties, or family events. So which panini press will you use to master the ultimate grilled sandwich? Press your thoughts into the comments. If this sandwich transforming review upgraded your lunch game, grill that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing air fryers. All our top picks are linked below. Happy grilling!